Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday. It is April 28th, 2025. So I'm going to show you just from what went on in the morning notes. So what I had said was that, I was expecting, there's sell signals that were on the 15-minute charts and some weaker ones on the 60, and it's why I expected some backing and filling. But I said if the bulls can push through to 55.27 resistance, I'll be looking at the 55.75. And then if the bears can get through to 54.90, I'd be looking for support coming in right around that 54.62. So let's take a look. We broke through this the 55.27 resistance, came up, went down, and then from there we didn't get quite up to where I thought we were going. We only made it up to the 55.53 level. But then when we came down and then we took out these lows here at the 55.06, that's when things started accelerating, and what happened was we made it down to the 54.68. So we didn't make it all the way down. I was looking for the 54.62, but that's basically we just got down to the 54.68, and then from there we just rallied straight up. So basically what's happening here is we're seeing the same thing. We're seeing every dip that's getting bid, that's going down, the shorts are thinking that this is the one. They start shorting, and then they squeeze them out towards the end of the day. Now, if we are, let's just say we need more work to the downside, because you can see we made it a little bit below the 38% retracement, tested the moving average, and then shot up. So if this is just an ABC move, this equals 100%. So this move here and from here would bring us down to a 54.55 target. Now, if we take a look, that's actually the 50% retracement as well. So if we do need lower, this is where I would expect to see buyers stepping in. If it holds, then most likely this is going to be the end of this move, because you can see on the 15-minute chart we really are just consolidating here. So if we come down and we hit this the 54.50, I think it will be a gift where we can buy, and then from there I'm really going to be eyeing down anywhere from the 56.47 all the way up to the 57.77 level. So if we come down, you're going to see we have the moving average support, we have fib lines, and from there what will happen is I'm anticipating this next move to go here. From there, that's where I think you're going to see everybody starting to switch to the bull side, and we'll see the VIX start to drop down to important support levels, and then we'll probably see another spike up, and from there, that's where I'm anticipating that we're going to get that drop that will come down and at a minimum probably test these lows here, if not break them. And that's probably not going to happen until sometime, like I said, probably the first or second week in May is when I'm anticipating this top to hit. When that does, I'm expecting that this low will be made, whether it's here or we need to actually go a little bit lower. That will be ending sometime in June. And then from there, I am on the side that I believe we're heading up to new all-time highs. I think the tariff stuff will be behind us by that time, because that's going to be over the 90 days. So we're going to know who made deals or not. And right now you're going to see the economy starting to pick up, because we're doing all the right things right now. It's really the biggest concern for people right now are these tariffs. So if they get pushed away, and now we can see companies start giving what their expectations are for future guidance, because right now some of them are holding back because they don't really know what the tariff stuff's going to be doing. So I think next quarter is going to be an easier quarter, and honestly I think that's really just going to take us into the fall time frame, that rally, and it's going to be a very, very choppy year. From there we're probably going to head back down again, so it's not going to be any straight line up on it. I just don't see that happening, but I do see us testing the new all-time highs by the fall, and I believe we're going to be testing these lows by the June and these upsides within the next 2 weeks. So that's what we're looking for right now. So what happens if the bulls can take out this 55 level? Obviously, the next level is going to be the 55. I'm sorry, let me get this off here. The next one is going to be the 55.75. Above that, that's when we just shoot for the 5600, or we go up a little bit higher than that and get to the 56.47. If the bears can take out these lows here, we're going to refer back to this. So if the bears can take out these lows, this is where the support is, the 50% retracement, as well as this wave C. And what you'll notice, it really will be, we're trading within this range where this is the top and this is the low. So we're just expanding the range on it. But this one after this C, I would anticipate it breaks above here and heads up. But again, I'm not sure this is going to be the C here. This very well could have been the pullback that we were, that I was waiting for. And one of the reasons for that, if we just look at the hourly chart, you have the momentum that's just turning up. Now, when we make these highs, what's going to happen is I do believe we're going to get some true sell signals on this. So we want to stay alert up here. This was always, buy the dips. Up here, we want to be selective. You want to start scaling out of some of your positions, lighten up, and just let it run. Because, like I said, the 56.50, I believe, should be a magnet, but I wouldn't be surprised if we head all the way up to that 5700 level and maybe even a little bit higher than that. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.